Hello guys! Today we'll speak about appearance. So if you want to describe something or in one day you need it, this lesson will help you. So let's start from hair and eyes. Maybe next time we'll continue, but today I want you to know about these two things. So let's start. Давайте начнем. Let's start. Okay, first one, I want you to see hair. What is the hair in Russian? How can you say that? Волосы, волосы, hair, волосы. Волосы, волосы, hair. Волосы. It can be blonde, dark, red, right? Okay, it's so interesting how it will be in Russian. Let's start from blonde. In Russia we have a lot of blonde girls, so maybe you like to know how to say that. Blonde hair, it's not mine, okay? Blonde hair, it's светлые волосы. So, волосы, hair. We can say about person, she has светлые волосы. Светлые волосы. Светлые волосы. So, dark, like I have maybe, темные волосы. Dark hair. Темные. Here your. Look like but two dots. Don't forget to put it here because just to get used to it, because in Russia we never use it, just we know that it's your instead of yeah, but you have to know that it's your. Темные. Next one, red. It's so difficult to find someone with red hair here in Russia, but if you dye your hair, and you can be red anyway. So red, it's рыжие. 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 Light brown. I think in Russia 80% of people with light brown. Русые. Русые волосы. So light brown hair. We say that. Русые волосы. Русые волосы. So if I want to say about me, I have a light brown hair. У меня русые волосы. У меня русые волосы. It means I have a light brown hair. Next one, I love it, curly hair. But прямые, it's a straight. We have a lot here. Maybe that's why I'm crazy about curly, So to say I have straight hair, we say прямые волосы. У меня прямые волосы. Прямые. Straight. Кудрявые, curly. Кудрявые, curly hair. So if you have long hair, so nice to have a long hair, right? Длинные. And so длинное слово. Long word. Длинное слово. Длинные волосы. You see here double N. длинные. Длинные волосы. Okay, opposite one can be короткие. Короткие. Short. Короткие волосы. У меня короткие волосы. У меня длинные волосы. У меня кудрявые волосы. Curly hair. I have curly hair. У меня brown hair. У меня blonde hair. Okay. Light. Okay. Blonde, светлые. So, okay, light. We can't say that. Okay. Okay, let's move to another part. I want to speak about eyes. Eyes, it's so important, right? Eyes. Светлые глаза. So, eyes, глаза. 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 Eyes, глаза. If you speak about your one eye, can be glaz. R shows you that it's two. You're speaking about two. So, eyes, like S, you see, and here are глаза. My eyes, maybe not light. Not не светлые. Светлые, it means light. It means blue or green. It can be whatever. I don't know. Or what else can be. But светлые, I can say about myself, I don't have light eyes. So, у меня не, it means not, не. Let's say show you here. Не. If you are talking about something that you not agree, you can say не. У меня не светлые глаза. I don't have a light eyes. So I have dark. У меня темные глаза. У меня темные глаза. I have dark eyes. So, blue, голубые, голубые, blue. In Russia, we have, in Russian language, we have two parts of blue. We have blue and blue, dark blue, like you have, right? But we say синий, it's a dark blue, like, let's say show you. This is a dark blue, but this one light blue. But for us it's синий and голубой. But I can't remember that, I don't remember. Did I see somewhere someone have a dark blue eyes? Синие глаза? I don't think so. It means you should know if you are talking about appearance, about eyes of person. So you should speak about blue eyes. Okay, not синие, dark blue. We don't have, I guess, no. Maybe it's so rare to find, but I didn't see. So, голубые глаза. Голубые, it means light blue. Зеленые, зеленые глаза. It means green eyes. Зеленые глаза. I have a green eyes. У меня зеленые глаза. У меня зеленые глаза. If I should say, I have a green eyes, but I don't have. Unfortunately, maybe. I know we can put links to see how you look like, to check. Maybe blue eyes, it's would be good for you, but I don't think so. I think you are so beautiful if you're a girl, or so handsome if you're a man, with your eyes, right? So next one, карие. I have a brown hair, brown eyes. It means у меня карие глаза. Карие. It means brown, карие глаза. And we have also black, черные. Black, черные глаза. Черные глаза. У меня черные глаза. I have a black eyes. And it can be big one or small, right? It depends. So, but big one, it's большие, большие. Maybe like this. Big eyes. I have a big eyes. У меня большие глаза. Or у нее, she has. У нее большие глаза. О, маленькие, little. Маленькие, little. So, let's repeat. Hair, волосы. Светлые, blond. Темные, dark. Рыжие, рыжие. Red. Русые, light brown. Прямые, волосы, we are talking about hair. Straight. Кудрявые, curly. Длинные, long hair. Короткие, short. About eyes, глаза. Eyes, глаза. If one eye, it means глаз. Glass. I know some person can have one eye can be green, another one brown maybe. Sometimes it's possible to have, you know. That's why I explain you how to say глаз if it's one. Темные, dark. Голубые, blue. Зеленые, зеленые глаза. Green eyes. Карие глаза. Brown eyes. Черные глаза. Черные глаза. Black eyes. Большие, big, and little, small. So, if you have any questions or suggestions, ask me please. And next time we will speak about something else to describe you more correctly. So, see you soon.